Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to unbox and do a quick review of iPad Air 5th Gen. Let's get started. First, let's check the box. What I've got here is the pink color. So at the front, you'll see the pink color design. The side, there's the iPad Air logo. And at the back, you will see here that I've got the 64GB version iPad Air 5th Gen Wi-Fi only version. Let's open this. Okay, so this is the actual device. And we also got here the manual and the Apple stickers. And this has now the latest power cable, which is USB-C to USB-C. And this now includes a power adapter. This has now the all-screen design, and at the side, you will see here the volume control, and as well as the magnetic charging port for Apple Pencil 2. At the bottom, you will see here the charging port, which is now USB-C, as well as the speaker grills. And at the top, you will see here the power button that also act as the fingerprint reader, and more speaker grills. And at the back, you'll see here the Apple logo, and you'll see that the color is pink. And at the bottom, this is used for smart keyboard. And we also have the main camera here, which is 12 megapixel, and as well as a microphone. And for the spec, it has 10.9 inches of liquid retina IPS LCD display with maximum 500 nits of brightness. For the chipset, it has the Apple M1 chip with 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU. Before, it's only available in high-end Apple devices like MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, Mac Studio, and now it's here in iPad Air. It also has 64GB of internal storage and 8GB of RAM, and the selfie camera is 12 megapixel. And at the back, the main camera is also a 12 megapixel, which is capable of maximum 4K 60 FPS video record. There you go guys. If you want to buy an iPad for your kids, I really recommend this model since it has the Apple M1 chip that will make this future-proof. If 64GB version is not enough for you, you can get the 256GB version, or much better, get the iPad Pro with M2 chip that has 128GB of internal storage. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos, and see you in the next one.